Welcome back, guys. I'm replacing my steering wheel angle sensor on a 2004 Mercedes Benz CLK 500. Here is the part I'm about to replace. Ordered off of eBay, aftermarket part. Here's the steering wheel. First you need to do for safety, unplug your car battery, the positive cable, and make sure before you do that, your wheels are straight. It's located, the ESP steering wheel angle sensor is located behind the airbag. You will need I use you can see right here, a 27 Torx to take it out from the back. And then I use to remove this two back screws located behind the steering wheel. Then the airbag comes loose. Then you disconnect the green and the yellow airbag wires. You unlock them from behind the steering wheel. Then you're free of these three wires. You just pull them out or unlock them, the airbag wires. Now you're left with a 10mm hexagon screw. If you can't take it off by hand, you may need a air impact, which I might have to cut the video short just to use it. You take this screw off, the steering wheel comes off. Then right here is a part that has these wires where it's located. So give me a few minutes while I do that. Thanks. I ended up using this 10mm socket on a air impact to remove the steering wheel bolt. As you can see, it looked like it had some Loctite. Here the steering wheel comes off. Okay, here's a steering wheel ESP sensor. You will need T10 screws to remove these. 3 screws. And just to kind of pry it out from the side corners with a flathead screwdriver. Here's my T10 Torx. Found it here. You loosen all your 3 screws. Then with the flathead, slowly pry it out. Okay, that one just jumped out. See, the problem with mine part, not supposed to unwind unwind this, it's supposed to stay aligned. So I'm guessing that's why my part broke. It looks fine here, but on the inside of this thing, something must be broken. Other than that, here's a new part. How generic it looks. Compared to the original part. I just hope it works. Or else I'm gonna be returning it, and I just hope it really works. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Let me install this part. There's 6 pins going there, and I don't know if it was winded up correctly or how I have it. There you go. You felt it makes a clicking sound when it grabs on to the center of the steering wheel. It locked itself in place through here and then there. So now you can see the screws are really close to where they gotta go in. One that side and this side like close. I just hope this don't end up being a fail video. Let me put the camera back down now. Be back. Okay, that's how the part looks installed. Steering wheel angle sensor, or the ESP sensor. My new part ended up having to use a Phillips screwdriver. I think it's an American part. Remember to line up this black arrow with the lines that are marked on your steering wheel. These markings come from the car manufacturer, so keep them lined up. And the same goes when putting the steering wheel back. Just if you ever need to take off the blinker here, it will be the same process, removing this to get to your blinker housing that's in the back. But if your blinker works, I would just leave it alone. See, when you place them back in here, there's some built-in grooves. My finger is one right here, one up here. You align those to the black mark. You can see the black marker back there. You align those straight. Before you put your bolt back in, make sure everything's straight. Then you put your bolt back in. So allow me a few more minutes before I put everything back together. I have one hand. Remember, guys, I can't hold the camera and show you, so please follow the video, like and subscribe. if I'm giving enough detail and information. It's an eBay product. Shout out to eBay for posting the cheapest and best automobile parts online. Before you bolt in your bolt on the steering wheel, plug in your 3 wires behind the airbag, plug in your battery, come to the car, turn the key forward, make sure your parts working by honking the horn and checking your dashboard readings. It looks good to me. All my part works. Now it's time for me to do the reverse of what you saw in the beginning of the video. Tighten the bolts, screw back my airbag, and I'm happy that the part works. And I hope you follow this video slowly and carefully. Pause, play, like, and subscribe. You need a T10 Torx to remove the original sensor, and maybe a T27 Torx to remove the bolts behind the airbag, and a 10mm socket, or how do you call it, hexagon socket, a pry bar. But I would suggest going with a heavy duty air impact or a battery air impact, because that bolt is on there really tight. And to set it down flush and pop it out, because it's a very shallow bolt, you might strip the bolt. Very easy process. Been out here for maybe 15-20 minutes and I'm basically done. And I wish you the best. Until next time, I'll make a video on a 2004 CLK 500. And yes, this car is going up for sale. Thank you eBay for having the parts ready. Thank you watchers. Like and subscribe. I make videos maybe twice a month. Follow me. Let's see what I got going here. I got like, subscribe, leave comments. Let me know, share links, network on the comments list. Let's get this video rolling. Thank you.